So today I am just out and about. I am in Virginia. I'm in this little cute little area over here. Just doing a solo trip with myself. I just want to see how I can manage out in the community with my disability. I'm just gonna spend some time with myself and enjoy the day. I'm going to see Fantastic Four at the AMC theater. It's like back there. Sometimes you just gotta do stuff by yourself. That's how it is. I wholeheartedly agree that this is a very awkward angle to film, but this is what I can do. But also, like, Fritos, like the Frito twists, they have queso. When was this? I'm used to the barbecue flavored ones. But I saw this and I was like, let me try that. I smell it. It's 1:25 right now. My movie starts at 4, so I got time. Frito twist queso. I am directly underneath some Metro Rail train tracks. Not bad. The barbecue twist ones, like the honey barbecue twist ones, are the best. But these will do. Queso. Frito twists. I am in the Starbucks bathroom right now, but not all Starbucks are the same. This bathroom is somewhat accessible. I mean, it is just like on the surface, but it's the bare minimum. I had the hardest time using this bathroom, and I am never coming to this one ever again. For example, when you have the grab bars, you have the tissue right next to it. It's hard to, like, especially for someone who's quadriplegic, to get their hand on the actual bar. Look, okay, the soap is all the way up there. This is down there. So it's pretty cool. It was just somehow, and then the height, I don't like sitting on the toilet, but the height of the toilet is very low. So it just, I don't get it.
Look, it's our OG fan club. We should go say hi before we murder them for sport.
Want to be neighbors with the Fantastic Four? Tour this Baxter Building home with Zillow.
Do the Fantastic Four really live here?
I've been asking God to just help me to learn who I am and what I can do without the need for company. And that's important, to be able to depend on God and have Him be that person beside you, though there are times where God will have you in fellowship with individuals, whomever, friends or companionship. So today was me exploring what I can do. This isn't my first time doing it, but it's my first time kind of documenting it from start to finish.
Might be time to go.
And it's difficult navigating a disability itself, but then having to film it. Very challenging. So this is me home, reflecting on the day, and I'm going to do some exercises because I'm challenging myself again, doing 30 days of just full exercises, and I am documenting that, so the video is coming. It hasn't been 30 days, so I'm still in the process of making that video, but I have to do that because it's late, and I have to do it because my Apple Watch has like the rings that you close. Then I want to close my exercise ring today, though I've done a lot and I am quite tired. I have to wake up in the morning for church, and we're going to do that. So I'm going to get out of these clothes, do my night care routine. I might exercise before I do my nighttime routine, and then do that. Get to bed, do that, read my Sunday school lesson, then get to bed. Also, happy birthday, James. I got you. Today is Saturday before your birthday, and this is an art print. Also, I got you some little goodies from Ulta. Didn't have much this month. All my contracts have ended. Hand sanitizer. So this video comes out Tuesday, but your birthday is Sunday. Still. And y'all in the comments better say happy birthday, Jamie's. That's my sis. Alright, okay, now back to the ending. So, thank you for watching. And if you are a person with a disability and you feel that you cannot go places by yourself, share with me how you feel about that in the comments. And till next time.